Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for trusted, hands-on reviews of must-have items for your family, home, and lifestyle. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best baby beanie breathable cotton hat on the market, the DRESHOW BQUBO newborn baby boys hats. This is more than just a baby hat. It's a thoughtful combination of comfort, practicality, and adorable style tailored for newborns aged 0 to 6 months. From the moment your baby is born, keeping them warm and cozy is a priority, and this set of 4 cotton hats is designed to do exactly that. Right out of the box, you'll notice the soft, natural fabric. Each beanie is made from 100% high-quality cotton, which is not only breathable and gentle on delicate newborn skin but also ideal for maintaining warmth during those early weeks and months. You'll feel the difference. These hats are clearly crafted with care and consideration for your little one's comfort. Let's talk fit. The DRESHOW hats are designed with dimensions of 4.3 inches wide and 5.4 inches high, with a head circumference of about 8.7 inches. But don't worry if your baby's head grows quickly. These caps feature just the right amount of stretch to keep up with growth during those critical early months. The elastic closure ensures the hats stay in place without being too tight or uncomfortable. One thing that really stands out is the set's simplicity and classic style. The 4-pack includes a beautiful color mix of white, striped blue, striped gray, and striped black. This range gives you variety for different outfits and occasions while keeping the overall aesthetic clean and timeless. The minimalistic design ensures your newborn looks adorable without going over the top. And because newborn photography is practically a rite of passage these days, these hats are perfect for hospital photos, daily wear, or memory-making moments at home. Another key highlight is how well these hats are suited for sensitive skin. With no harsh stitching or tight seams, and an absence of glued elements like artificial bows or embellishments, these hats avoid the risk of irritation or discomfort. They're lightweight but still warm, an ideal balance for a baby's developing body that can't regulate temperature as easily as adults. Cleaning is straightforward but important. Hand washing is recommended. Because of the ultra-soft cotton, these hats shouldn't go through the rigors of machine washing or heavy scrubbing. A gentle hand wash maintains the fabric's texture and shape, giving these hats a longer life and keeping them just as soft as the day you bought them. If you're looking for a thoughtful baby shower gift, a hospital take-home essential, or simply a high-quality wardrobe staple for your newborn, this 4-pack of DRESHOW baby beanies is a winner. They're affordable, they ship internationally, and they combine style with functionality, making them a standout in a crowded market of baby accessories. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next review. See you next time with more trusted insights, right here on Product Critique.